Adam, and my task was team coordinator, and I did the programming section on the Raspberry Pi. I learned about parallel programming and barrier statements. I also got more experience writing code in C in parallel. I'm learning C in my system level programming class, and the skills I learned here can be useful for various assignments in that class. The most challenging part of this task was to meet the higher expectations of my group.
Hi, my name is Matthew Johnson, and I'm the member of the Dirty Mac team. My task for this assignment was researching and providing the answers to questions 3 and 5 of the assignment. During the assignment, I learned what race conditions were, how hard they are to reproduce, and how one should avoid them. I can use what I learned in future projects that require knowledge on reduction and barrier patterns. The most interesting part of my task was learning and comparing collective synchronization and collective communication.
Hello, my name is Mithilesh Untala, and I'm a junior in Georgia State University doing my computer science major. My task for this assignment is to organize the report and answer the questions 1, 2, and 4. I've learned more about parallel programming, pipelining, race condition, and how the race condition is difficult to reproduce and debug. I learned that the race condition or race hazard is the situation where multiple processes are accessing data that is shared among them. But the current outcome depends on the execution order of the processes, and the best way to avoid the race condition is by a careful software design rather than debugging and fixing afterwards. I also came to learn the patterns that are helpful in writing parallel programs. I also came to learn the patterns that are helpful in writing parallel programs, which are strategies and concurrent execution mechanisms. I will apply this information to in my next assignment as well as my CV for a job application. The most challenging experience was to use the concepts that I've learned in this assignment and to actually apply this in the execution for the code.
Hi, my name is James Abney. I'm a computer science major, and I was in charge of the GitHub for this assignment, and I was also in charge of the organization of the document and finalizing it. So, make sure it's in correct order, all that, before submitting it. And I'm also helping editing this video that we're recording, which we'll be uploading soon. For this assignment, I learned about coordination patterns like message passing and mutual exclusion. And I also learned about race conditions and how this can be an issue when the order of execution is important and unintended results may occur. This is also something that I can actually apply to my other courses I'm taking now because, for instance, I'm using JavaScript in one of my projects, and JavaScript is synchronous. It's a synchronous language, so it's sometimes difficult to achieve asynchronous results because I'm used to using like Java, which is different from JavaScript. So the most challenging aspect for this assignment was just getting everything done in time, because for instance we're just now doing this video and it's Friday, so thank you.